Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Madihah Binti Harun and my number matric is A21A2561. I will present about my industry training experience at North Butterworth Container Terminal MBCT Penang Port, Sdn Bhd.
The North Butterworth Container Terminal MBCT is the main container terminal under Penang Port, serving as a vital logistic hub in northern Malaysia. It was officially declared as a free commercial zone (FCZ) on 1st February 2021, enabling duty-free activities such as cargo consolidation, storage, repackaging, and re-export. MBCT has a handling capacity of 2.3 million operational activities include vessel annually and is equipped with a modern infrastructure, including gantry cranes. The business environment is dynamic and competitive, involving coordination terminal management with government agencies, key departments such as terminal operations, and engineering, security, and customer service work collaboratively to ensure efficient container movement. MBCT strategies, position and capabilities support economic growth in northern several key units such Malaysia and southern Thailand, making it an important gateway for regional each playing crucial roles in ensuring Penang Port Sdn Bhd also have their own vision and mission. For vision is to be the premier port and logistic chain integrator in the region, and for their missions to provide maximum value to customers through superior quality service. Second, to achieve a good return on investment. Third, to be caring employer to a skilled, motivated and productive workforce. And for the last, to be responsible and corporate citizen, environmental friendly. For the next is the scope of exposure to student. The first exposure that student got is use of logistic software and system. I gain knowledge in the port management system from the beginning of import and export. Among the system used at NBCT are Pelican 3, OCM and Cargo Move. The second exposure is the yard planning and allocation. As a student intern in the yard department, I study how containers are systematically arranged in designed yard blocks based on factors such as container size, type, destination, and storage period, as well as observing how the effectiveness of yard layout and planning directly affect operational efficiency, turnaround time, and space optimization within the terminal. The third exposure is safety and the yard rules. I have been trained on the importance of adhering to the strict safety protocol, including the use of personal protective equipment (PPE). And for the last exposure is the soft skill development. Apart from technical knowledge, I gain exposure in developing several soft skills such as critical thinking, time management, and teamwork. Working with the professionals from various backgrounds and gaining confidence in asking questions, reporting and observations, and communication effectively in a fast-paced environment. As an intern in a yard department, I also have contribution to the industry. First is support in the yard planning. I observed and provided input on yard layout planning to optimize space usage and minimize rehandling. I also contribute to basic yard allocation planning for imports, exports, and transshipment containers under supervisor guidance. And for the last of yard support in yard planning is participate in the discussions on reefer container placement and power supply management. The second contribution that I contribute in this industry is the learning and technical familiarity. In this learning, I gain exposure to terminal operation software used in the yard planning and control. I also demonstrate willingness to learn yard operational workflow including the container gate process, yet stacking strategies, and interface with the key and gate operations. And the third contribution that I contribute is the system usage and data handling. I gain practical experience in using several systems at NBCT to help collect data for service and vessel frequency, calculation and record data, contributing to the management of accurate and up-to-date page information. And for the last contribution is administrative assistant. I help office staff with the document preparations, data entry and record keeping, ensuring smooth flow of paperwork related to the port operations. As an intern, student also face a few challenges of task execution. For the first is the safety compliance, ensuring strict adherence to safety protocols amidst fast-paced operations and heavy machinery movement is a contest challenges for interns. With the balancing operational speed with the safety precaution requires ongoing vigilance. The second challenge is adapting to the fast-paced environment. Dynamic and time-sensitive nature of port operations can be overwhelming for intern students still learning workflow and priorities. And keeping up with the rapid communication and decision-making processes can be difficult for intern. And for the last challenges that I face, a limited practical experience. Interns may face difficulty execution tasks due to the lack of prior hands-on experience in the port operations and system. Understanding complex processes like container handling or terminal system can take time for interns to understand one by one. For the I also have a few suggestions for improving the challenges. For the first suggestion is to improve safety compliance. Companies should start each shift with a short safety briefing related to the task. Use sign and floor markings to remind staff about safety rules. Companies should pair interns with experienced staff to monitor safety practice and make interns feel safe to report any unsafe action or condition. The second suggestion is help interns adapt to the fast-paced environments. Companies should give a structured onboarding with a clear explanation of workflow. Interns should assign a mentor to guide and support the intern daily. To make sure the smooth flow, companies should provide checklists and a quick guidance to help interns stay focused. And the last, have a short feedback sessions to solve problems early. All the suggestions can make interns more understand the task and stay focused on their projects. And for the last suggestion to improvement is increase practical experience. Before interns start their tasks, companies should use training stimulations so interns can practice safely. Let interns rotate through departments to learn different tasks. Also give step-by-step SOPs to help them understand the work better. For better experience, allow interns to observe senior staff during important tasks. Last but not least, I have a few value knowledge that I got from this internship. The first value is I got the real work experience. I gained real work experience by seeing how the port operates, including how containers are handled and managed, which helped me better understand and I have learned in class. The second value that I got is learning technical skills. I learned how to use port system and tools, manage cargo, and follow shipping schedules, which gives me important technical skills for future job in the logistics or maritime field. The third value is the meeting industry peoples. I got the chance to meet and learn from the people who work at the port, such as shipping and logistic professionals, helping me build useful connection for my careers. For the last value that I got is understand the rules and safety. I also learned about safety procedures and international port rules such as security codes, and environmental guideline, which prepare me to work in global shipping environment. Thank you. That's all from me.